Stop scrolling. If your Apple TV shows HDMI no signal, black screen, or no input detected, this video will fix it step by step. No random tips. Only real technician-tested solutions that actually work. First, understand the problem clearly. Apple TV HDMI no signal usually happens due to handshake failure between Apple TV and the TV panel. This is called HDMI handshake issue. It happens after power cut, software update, cable issue, or wrong input settings. Now start with the basic but most important check. Turn off your TV. Unplug the TV power cable from wall socket. Unplug Apple TV power cable. Remove the HDMI cable from both TV and Apple TV. Wait for 60 seconds. This clears HDMI cache and static memory. Now reconnect everything properly. Next step, check HDMI input manually. Using your TV remote, press Input or Source button. Select the correct HDMI port where Apple TV is connected. Do not use Auto Detect. Manual selection works better for Apple TV. Now, check the HDMI cable. Use a high-speed HDMI cable. If possible, use HDMI version 2.0 or higher. Avoid long cables over 2 meters. Try a different HDMI cable even if the current one looks fine. Most no signal issues are cable related. Next, change the HDMI port. Move Apple TV to another HDMI port on your TV. Avoid HDMI ARC or EARC port for testing. Use a normal HDMI port first. Now we will reset Apple TV video output blindly. This works when screen is totally black. Using Apple TV remote, press menu and volume down together for 5 seconds. Apple TV will restart video output. Wait patiently for 30 seconds. If still no signal, force resolution reset. Unplug Apple TV power. Plug it back in. Immediately press and hold menu and volume up for 5 seconds. This forces Apple TV to reset display resolution. Next solution is TV HDMI format setting. Go to TV settings, then go to external inputs or HDMI settings. Set HDMI format to standard or compatibility mode. Do not use enhanced or ultra mode for testing. If you use AV receiver or soundbar, remove it temporarily. Connect Apple TV directly to TV. AV devices often block HDMI handshake. Now check Apple TV power. Always use original Apple TV power cable. Avoid extension boards with voltage drop. Final solution, update TV software. Old TV firmware causes Apple TV compatibility issues. If these steps are followed properly, Apple TV HDMI no signal issue will be fixed permanently. This is Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real technician fixes.